This is Mike.
And this is Joey.
And we're with
Our Mobile Backpack.
Hey babe, what's that?
Hey babe, this is my new kayak. I'm upgrading.
You got a new kayak?
I'm upgrading. We loved our Intex. We got a lot of use out of them. They were fantastic little kayaks, and they're still good. I saw this at Costco. And I was intrigued. It's a board and it's a kayak, so you could stand on it and take away the seat, but it's got a back so you can sit on it. It looks like a lot of fun.
Wow.
So I thought I'd give it a shot.
That's going to be a new experience.
No, I think it'll be fun.
Hey, I think I might want to try the stand-up part. What do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
You're not going to want me on it?
Be ready. Time for the next step.
So you're going to put it together and see what it looks like?
Yeah, I'm going to pop it open. This is a Body Glove 11 Porter. Here, look what it comes with. It's pretty neat. So, you see, it's really a flat board. It's like, you know, it's a board, and it's got a back. It's got some neat stuff. It's got its own seat, choice of paddles, got a pump, of course, got a strap so you don't lose it in the water, and a waterproof bag.
Wow.
And it all sits on a backpack. So I'm going to take it apart and I'll let you know how it goes.
All right, let's see what it looks like.
All right. What do we got? Oh boy. Put together stuff, warranties, safety stuff. Stop. Read this first. Okay. Okay. There's the pump. It's a pretty big pump.
And it's special to this one?
Yeah, they've got some kind of special fitting. I've heard you can get adapters for electric pumps, but I don't know. Oh, and a bag for your phone and another thing.
Oh, cool. We'll check
Cool
those
stuff.
out.
Good stuff. What else we got going on here? The paddles are neat. They look like wood. I don't know if they are, but they're nice paddles.
They sure do.
Much nicer than the ones I had. Looks how they have a lot of adjustment to them. Okay, so here's the strap you use around your wrist so you don't lose it if you fall off.
Oh, wow, that's pretty cool.
That's a good idea. Let's see, and it comes in a bag, so I guess that's what this is. Let's see how this gets up here.
Wow, that's a backpack?
All right. Yeah, I guess
Well,
so.
I guess if you're going
It's a
anywhere.
backpack. Look.
Yeah.
Look.
Well, let's see. Let's see how it works. Wow. That's pretty cool, especially if you had to hike down a side of a seashore to get down to where you wanted to kayak or body surf.
Yeah, it is pretty cool. I mean, you know,
Wow.
it's like 30 pounds or so, but it's not bad on your back, you know, because the way the weight is. Yep.
There you go. That's
Just
pretty cool.
Go for a hike.
Yeah.
When you get there, throw your kayak out.
That sounds
Very
good
nice.
to me.
Very nice. Is this backpack cool or what?
This
Huh?
is so awesome.
Look at this. I mean, this is a serious bag. You can take this thing places. It really is neat. I kind of like the way it's set up. Kind of cool. So I'm digging into this backpack a little bit, and here's everything that's in the package, so you know what to check for. And this is really nice. This is kind of how this thing works. It's they actually did a nice, just a serious. Look at these colored pictures. How to deflate, inflate, set up inflation. Pretty nice. All in all, right? The quick start manual, going through it. Very nice. Look at the way they set this up. It's actually got pictures of these things. And yeah, I know, there's plenty of videos on YouTube of how to set this thing up. Deflation and packing at the end. That's great. I appreciate that, huh? And how they use the pump. And that's kind of nice they put that in here. And then, of course, they have FAQs. So that's actually, I think it's really nice that they included that in the package. So whenever I get an inflatable, the first thing I like to do is lay it out, set it up. Let's make sure it holds air. All right, let's make sure there's no defects. 24 plus hours, leave it full. Let's see what we got. Woohoo! Look at this bad boy.
Your favorite color.
Yeah, blue. That's right. Wow, look at this. This is nice. Woo. Yeah, this pack is really nice. This is really something. We set this off to the side. Oops, here, let me put this. So here we go. I'm sure this will need to strap again in the future. Let's see what we got. Oh, wow. Woohoo. Look at this bad boy.
Oh wow, the seat's already hooked in. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, it is. Pretty neat. Wow, look at this. This is going to be nice. This is nice.
And the little feet spots where you put your feet.
Wow. Lots of paper. And lots of plastic. Wow. This is a beauty. Ooh, look at that. Huh? Oh, the fins. Oh, here's the fins, yeah.
Oh,
these
they're
are
already in on it. You don't
the
have
fin holders, yeah, they're permanent.
Oh,
They're supposed to
wow.
be pretty flexible and it works out pretty well. I'm on a lower table here. Turn it on. Okay. Up. There we go. What do we got here? These are the fins. Yeah, these are actually nice. With 3 of them like this, it makes your control better. Believe me, if you don't have anything here, you just flop around. It's a lot harder. These look like they're pretty well done. They do not come out. They're permanent, but they are pretty flexible. I think they're going to be okay. So that's what you got to work with. And of course, when it gets to green, that means you're good. When it gets to red, you've over pumped it. So the pump's pretty straightforward. You screw this guy. Oh, come on. You gotta get the right one. Anyway, you screw this in. And this is easy. This guy goes here. You turn counterclockwise and you're in. That's actually a nice, after the other ones I've had, that's actually a nice setup. Straightforward. And then it's just a matter of, you got 2 ways to go here. See where it says 2 and 1? You can switch this pump 2 and 1. You can switch it back and forth. 2 means it pumps going in and picking up. 1, of course, it only pumps when you push down. Much easier to pump it up when you're just using 1, but 2 will get you going faster when there's no air in it. 5 to 10 minutes of this. All right, let's
Where's your
take it to the next
blade?
step. I'm gonna switch it.
So you switched it to a 1 this time?
I hope.
It's a okay.
Wow.
Wow.
It's hard enough, but it still hasn't registered. See? If you look at that, it still hasn't registered.
Wow.
So
it still needs more air.
yeah, and oh yeah,
Wow.
it's 15 pounds. I'm surprised it's not. even
Yeah,
close to
but
that.
it looks pretty solid.
Now it's coming. Let's see. Now we're getting somewhere.
It's just giving you exercise. Pumping up those arms, baby. Pumping up those arms.
I'm getting there. this is a lot to do, but it's gonna be, it has to be, it's gotta hold my weight. Well, I'm surprised. I mean, that thing's pretty hard. But this thing says,
You're in the green, aren't you?
no, look. Hardly at all.
Whoops.
As you can see, we're getting there. There we go. So, okay, here we go. You ready? We're getting there. Woohoo! We gotta get to the one. We gotta get to the one. That was about 5 minutes or so.
Yeah. It's a little challenging, but it doesn't take long.
Yeah, it's a little, you know, it is what it is. I'm gonna see if I can do with electric pump. We're looking like we're about ready.
Yep.
I think
come
this is
on.
it. There we go. Yeah, baby. So the bottom line here is you're gonna stand on this. It's gotta be stiff, and it is. It's stiff. It's only 15 pounds, which I'm surprised as how stiff it is. This is pretty serious. I can see where you can stand on this in the water. So the reason I did this, as I do with all inflatables, is I let them sit for a while. I'm gonna start. I got this to full capacity. I'm gonna let it sit for at least 24 hours to see what we got. Make sure we don't have any hidden leaks or any defects. The reason I chose this, that what got me interested in it, is it's a board. You know, it's a paddle board. If you look at it, it's a body, you know, it's body glove. It's just a flat out paddle board. It's tall. It has footrests, as it should for a kayak, or you can push up against it. But it is a body board. It's flat out. You can stand up in it, you can kneel in it, or you can sit in it. And that's the reason it appealed to me. Is I always thought it'd be cool to have a body board I could sit in and work through, because I don't think I'm going to be standing up that much in this stuff. But man, I like the idea. It's going to be easy to get in and out of, and it looks like a lot of fun. I adjusted the seat a little bit. I'm a little taller, you know, I'm 6'2", so I brought it up, the back up, and I kept the top of it at the same, all the way back, and now it's pretty comfortable. I can put my feet out, but my knees aren't stretched. So I've just got a little bend in the legs, looks pretty comfortable, and if I want, I've got the inside one. It's actually more bent. All right, so I let it sit for 24 hours, everything's fine, didn't lose any air, it's all good. I set up the seat, and now I've got the seating proper. I'm going to set up the paddles next. So it comes with a 4-piece paddle kit. This piece is for paddle boarding, and it all connects together for that, and it's adjustable for height, and then of course for your kayak. It's nice because it's got adjustments. So you got a little adjustments on your height on each side. And on this guy, this is the one you use to paddleboard. This has got quite a bit of adjustment. So it's great that it gives you a lot of adjustment depending on your height. All right, so we're set up. So you know what's next. It's time to test this bad boy. See you in the water.